Blade loading instructions for the Parker SoloEdge single edge safety razor. Twist the handle to unscrew the top cap. You can use a pre-cut blade or snap any double-edged blade in half, as shown. Hold the razor vertically and load the half double-edged blade between the two slots as shown. Keep the razor straight and load the top cap on. Keep the blade secured by using one hand with a pinching grip to hold the top cap in place while tightening the handle with your other hand. Inspect the razor and make sure the blade is straight and secure. Enjoy a clean, comfortable shave with your new Parker SoloEdge.